Hi everyone, I'm Wilma Haerkens. I'm your makeover specialist. So today we have an interesting taste testing. It's the first one that we've done. We are going to have our taste testers blindfolded. So we are going to first present them with the 3 different cake recipes, carrot cake, raw vegan, and we're going to ask them by the look of the cake which one they think they're going to enjoy the most. And then we're going to blindfold them and have them taste each cake and then tell us which one they've enjoyed the most. So stay tuned. This is going to be a lot of fun. So the first cake that we have will be A. And A is Happy Birthday Carrot Cake. And that is by Fully Raw. The second cake that we have is by Raw Food. And the third cake is C. And that's from Raw-Vitalize. It's called Carrot Orange Lemon Cake. So we have a special guest. Monique is here. We're doing different things today. Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
I think so.
Oh my gosh. Monique and I, we've known each other for like, what, 30 years?
Well,
let's not count the age, the decades now. We'll stop at 30.
It'll be 30 years.
Oh my gosh. See, Monique is so good with numbers, she remembers all this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
30 years.
Well,
yeah.
You know, happy anniversary. We have 3 cakes for you.
Yes. Oh,
wow.
Nice.
So what we're doing is we're going to have Monique take a look at the 3 cakes, decide which one that you think that you might enjoy the most. So we've got carrot cakes and they're raw vegan.
Okay. I would say the middle one, B.
What's your second choice?
My second choice would be A.
Obviously, number, my little mini one.
Might be the best one.
You don't know. You don't know. All right. Okay, so the next stage, what we're going to do is we'll blindfold you.
Okay,
so,
for the taste testing.
For the taste testing. So we'll just move these things and we'll be right back.
We're on.
Okay. We are on. Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay.
This is good.
So you like the texture?
I love the texture.
All mystery ingredients. I picked one ingredient out of each of the cake.
Okay.
So mulberries, walnuts, or cranberries in this.
I would say cranberries for this one.
Okay. There was one other thing. I think this might be pushing it a little bit. I thought we would try for the frosting as well. So there's, again, 3 ingredients.
Okay.
So we have rose water, maple syrup, or nutritional yeast flakes.
What was the third one? Not the maple syrup?
Nutritional yeast.
Maybe I'll go with that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Because that you said is supposed to, it gives it a cheesy flavor?
A little bit of a cheesy flavor.
Okay, right.
And it's really good for B12 for the raw vegans.
Interesting.
I'm going to give you another cake. All right, now I've got it in front of you.
It's good, but I prefer the first one.
Now you're left with 2 ingredients.
So walnuts or I'm gonna go with mulberry.
Mulberry. All right, mulberry and
the icing.
And you've already picked nutritional yeast.
So I'm gonna go with rose water then. Can't cheat a little bit.
Yeah. No, I'm trying the audience. Which one you have?
Oh, this one is very good too.
Okay.
Now I'm left with, for the icing, maple syrup, right?
Yeah, because you use
the
rose water and
the yeast.
Yeah, the yeast.
For the ingredients.
You only got one left, right?
Walnuts.
You only have walnuts left. Unless you want to change your mind.
No, go with walnuts.
Okay, so I don't even know. My mind's a blur with all these different recipes, so I'm not even sure which ones are which.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to reveal. So,
Okay.
but we'll be right back. So we're going to take the blindfold off, Monique, and fix your hair and stuff.
Okay.
So visually, Monique picked cake B as her first choice, cake A as her second choice, and cake C as her third choice. So after the taste testing, Monique picked cake B as her first choice, cake A as her second choice, and cake C as her third and last choice. So isn't that interesting? Monique picked exactly the same cakes, visually and after the taste testing in exactly the same order. Fascinating. And how did Monique do for the mystery ingredients for the cake and the frosting? Well, you could have guessed this one. Her favorite cake, she guessed them both. And didn't do so well on the other two. But that was definitely a challenge. So, good on you.
Are we going to rate them?
Yeah, sure.
We're going to rate them now.
Okay.
Okay, so what we do is we rate them similar as your, hotels.
Okay.
1 to 5 stars.
Right. Right.
Ooh. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, that looks also delicious. They all look really good.
Sure. Not at all.
A little exaggerated.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can
Just in
exaggerate.
everything because if we're
And
this is
again, this is so good.
you're liking this?
Yeah, I am.
Have you ever had? So that was fun.
Yes, it was very fun.
Great idea, Judy.
Thank you.
We want to thank Judy for coming, and we'll be seeing Judy again because she was having fun today.
Yeah.
Me too, of course.
Yeah, great.
So
Thank
you.
Yeah, good job.
Right? Yep. And you're going to be on YouTube, right?
Yep.
And do you want me to
Excited?
tag?
Yep.
All right. I think straight. I'm not keeping it straight. Okay, so walnuts.
I don't think Daniel's smiling.
I'm trying.
There you go. Hi, we have 3 guests with us today. We've got Francine and Danielle back with us, and we have a new guest with us, Susan. So welcome everybody to some taste testing of our carrot cake. Carrot cake, and it's blindfolded. Oh, yeah.
So what happens
gonna be.
if we miss our mouth?
I'm going to help you. But after we had a mishap, and Judy had some of her cake falling down and missing her mouth,
Oh, no.
I'm thinking
Oh, no.
maybe I might help you along. So this is going to be a little interesting. So what we're doing.
So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our continuation of our taste testing of raw vegan carrot cakes. And please give us the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And remember, sharing is caring. And one last thing, why don't you leave us a comment below? Let us know, which one would you have picked? See you soon.